Hi there, Hobby Kids! I'm HobbyMom. On the last show, Periwinkle, the Disney Fairy, made a wonderful snowman made of Play-Doh. It has surprise toys in it. Elsa took on the challenge and said she could make a snowman too. And with her Snow Ice Queen powers, she did. She made Olaf. And you guys decided who the winner was. Now let's find out what was inside that Play-Doh snowman as toy surprises. Let's open up the first snowball. I'm Batman. Come on, Robin. What's the name of this My Little Pony? Leave your comments below. Do you know who this little fish is from? What movie? Bubbles! Bubbles, 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 bubbles. Actually, that's a pile of snowballs. Snowballs, 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 snowballs. That gives me an idea. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? It's a snowball fight. You guessed right, Batman. Be sure to check out the next video where Elsa and Periwinkle have a snowball fight using the Krabby Patty launcher. We'll have to get SpongeBob's approval. I'm ready. I'll take that as a yes. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching, Hobby Kids. Bye! Remember, click on the snowball video to see the snowball fight, or go to our channel, HobbyKidsTV, and find the Frozen playlist.